Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. And today I've got a really super clean, super nice 10th anniversary Harley Davidson Night Rod Special. This thing is just so clean. It's got just a little over 300 miles on it. We put a brand new exhaust on it, a Super Trap exhaust. It's brand new. We put that on here in our shop. The bike just looks beautiful. It's got a liquid cooled 1250cc motor with a 5-speed. 10th anniversary of the V-Rod. Forward mount foot controls. The anniversary model comes in the silver paint, color matched frame. A really slick aluminum wheels back here. Well, front and rear, they're just alike. Tires, that's the original tires. Got a little over 300 miles on them. Silver paint is just beautiful, beautiful shape. Brushed aluminum swing arm. Some more of the 10th anniversary badging down there. Very nice. It's out about 125 horsepower. Radiator up here. That cowl induction there. Really slick. Slick. Dual front disc brakes, inverted forks. Very nice. Fire it off and let you give it a listen. This thing will romp. It's been through our shop, service, safety checked and inspected, and she is ready to rock and roll. Let's see how many miles is on it exactly. Oh, I thought it was 300 something. It's 640. I was thinking it was 340, but it's 640 miles still on a 2012. That's just no mileage. It's not even broke in yet. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. Or go to our website at cleanharleys.com. You can see our complete inventory there. A lot of good finance options and extended warranty options on this bike. And we sell and ship motorcycles all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.